The pricing section allows you to provide a total fee for the project, as well as fees at the phase or activity level. The client may have already indicated their preferred fee structure for the matter or project type. In this case, the client has not allowed firms to provide other pricing models for the total price, so the price provided must be a fixed fee. If the client allowed firms to provide other pricing models, a dropdown of different fee structures would be visible here. The client also required that firms fill in the total price field. The client will have set out their pricing expectations and more detail on what steps they expect the matter will entail. Select this dropdown to view these instructions and assumptions. The client may have set out a number of items at the phase level of the matter that they would like to be priced separately. While we recommend that you provide pricing in your client's preferred structure, you do have the ability to change the pricing type with each item. The client may have included instructions and assumptions at the item level as well. Each item may include sub-items, which are activities at that phase level. You can also add, edit, or delete sub-items within each phase if you believe there are elements of the matter that haven't been considered by the client. For example, I'll add a sub-item here to make my pricing more detailed. Now I'll fill in the fee for each sub-item. Then I'll be required to enter a subtotal of these items. You can also use the Assumptions and Description field to add more info on pricing, the assumptions that have informed your pricing, and anything else you would like the client to consider. If you do not want to provide pricing for an item for any reason, you can toggle Excluded from Scope. You still have access to the description box to explain why you excluded it from scope. You can also select the option of no charge if you'd like to include the item in your scope, but explain that you won't be charging for it. Now I'll provide pricing for each item. Once you have completed providing all pricing, we encourage you to ensure that your total fee for the matter is at least an estimate of all that work combined.